Everyone to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix sound problem on Clash Royale game. To fix it, just follow and watch this video till the end. Open your settings of your device, click on apps option and search for Clash Royale and click. Scroll here down this list, click add storage and click clear cache. After that, now back, click on force stop and click OK. And come to Play Store or App Store and update Clash Royale. Restart here your device and that's all. Don't forget to like and also subscribe and bye.